Hi. I am just going to tell you how Dr. Ram's Medical Coding Academy is unique from other coding training institutes. Dr. Ram is a medical doctor who had completed 33 medical coding and healthcare certifications and the All India topper of AAPC. He explains the intricacies of medicine, makes you a medical language specialist. Do not be carried away institutes who just give false shortcuts in just clearing exam without the right knowledge. This is a profession where you need to understand medicine. First ask, is your trainer a doctor? Otherwise, the training that you take is useless. We have daily fresher classes and CPC exam classes. Please call or WhatsApp 80560 85596 for full details. We have students from around the globe, and if you are seriously interested in making yourself a successful medical coder, then Dr. Ram's Academy is the final destination to medical coding.